In the last cookie video, I gave you a major short and it was this level right here that we're taking the short of right now to VWAP. Could have been a bigger trade, but 0.9%, I would take it. But there's more to this that meets the eye. First of all, longer term time frame on the daily chart, I'm looking for a pump to 1251, and this is an area that I really am expecting to get a nice push to within the next few hours, maybe before the US time zone. The second thing I want to do is mark out my levels accordingly, and they are right here, the 1251 and the 1381. So I would be interested in taking more shorts from these levels if price goes to them to the downside. I won't waste a second of your time, so I'm making keeping these videos very short and precise. If you're wondering, and obviously this video is no financial advice, if you're wondering how I'm up to 260 grand on VOOX, 28 grand on this wallet, you can learn more in the description down below. I have my course and I also have a Signals chat. If I'm currently switching from Mexi to BloFin, personally, my trading funds for futures for safety reasons. BloFin is no KYC exchange and they're giving away $30 until the 8th of September. If not, there might be other bonuses. Use the link in the description down below for my special campaign. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.